Hello, it's Robert Burr here at the Rum Wreck Dive Bar for another episode of Rum Minute. Today we're looking at Mount Gay's Master Blender Collection Pot Still Rum, released in 2019. One of Master Blender Trudiann Branker's first projects at Mount Gay was the release of this limited edition pot still rum, with only 4,920 bottles. The expression was well received among rum enthusiasts almost immediately and earned some notable awards soon after release. This boutique pot still only rum was distilled in 2009 and aged for 10 years before bottling in 2019, emphasizing the richer and more rustic flavor profiles of these classic double thumper copper pots in comparison to the tall column stills. This is not the first time Mount Gay has released a pure pot still rum, and hopefully it won't be the last. But it is the first time they claim an age statement on the label of a pure pot still rum. Mount Gay Distillery has a large stock of aged pot still rums to use in their blends. Eclipse, Black Barrel XO, and the Elite 1703 product have seen increases in the percentage of these bold pot still components as they inch these expressions forward in their plan for premiumization. Initial aromas of bold dried fruit, chocolate and musty oak dominate before herbal and floral notes, palm blossoms, damp earth, and snuffed candle. On the palate, a very dry entry heats up fast, led by charred oak, bitter vanillin, and burnt sugar, before a long-lasting bitter cacao note in the finish. This rum is reminiscent of the rustic and hearty rums from the old Caroni distillery in Trinidad. Mount Gay's limited edition Master Blender Collection Pot Still Rum from 2009 was aged for 10 years in American whiskey casks before bottling at a robust 48% ABV. The 750 milliliter bottle sells for about $150.